Today we'll be learning how to draw a cute hamburger. We're going to start with the top, start from here, and then we're going to go all the way up to here in one line. And then we're going to connect to the bottom right over here. And this is the cap of the mushroom. Hamburger. Then we're going to complete the hamburger by go all the way over here. Like that. And now let's add the ingredients. I believe first comes the onion. I'm going to add 2 lines on each side. And draw a line right through and have a little bit of curve to it. That's our onion. And then we can add the cheese. It's just going to be 2 triangles. One right here. And then one on the other side. Now we can add the ground beef. It's just going to be these little U shapes all the way across. Now we can add some sauce right here by adding some curved lines like that. And we could add for the meat we could add some details by adding these little dots, and this should add texture. Once you're done with that, we could add the lettuce. Let's add a line right here, and then a squiggly line, and then repeat the same thing across. Line right here, squiggly, and complete it. And the last piece of lettuce, squiggly, and complete it. I think our hamburger is missing a piece of tomato, so let's add that. It's gonna be a line here, here, and connect the 2 across. And then for the bottom bun, we're going to add a curve from here down. Same thing on the other side. Curve down. And then finally complete it. Like so. And then we're going to add some more sauce lines right here. We're going to start here and draw a squiggly line right below the tomato. Once we're done with that, let's add a face to the burger. We're going to start with a big circle up here for one of the eyes. Same thing on the other side. And then let's add a medium circle and a small circle and fill it in. Avoid the whites, because these are going to be the highlights. Same thing on the other side. Medium circle, small circle, then fill in. Once you're happy with the eyes, let's draw them out. gonna be a bean shape. We're going up, down, and connect. Let's add a cute pair of teeth. And then finally, let's do some sesame seeds. Just add them around the burger. You don't have to add too many. A few here and there is enough. And there you have it, a cute little hamburger. Now let's add a little bit of color. And there we are. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more tutorials weekly.